Hey guys, welcome to my page. On my first video, today I'm making bath bombs. Let's start with the ingredients. You're going to need 1.5 cups of baking soda, 3/4 cups of cornstarch, 3/4 cups of citric acid, essential oils of your choice, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and some soap color. I also used some dry roses and these roses that are made out of soap. Let's get started. First, I'm going to add the baking soda and the cornstarch. I don't want to add the citric acid until the end. You'll see why. You want to mix together until it's fully combined. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, I'm also adding 1/4 cup of oil, and then I'm going to melt it in the microwave until it's easy to combine. I'm going to add some pink soap coloring because this is my favorite color. This is a dark pink, but when you add it to the white, it's going to turn light. And for my fragrant, I'm obsessed with the scent Flower Bomb, so I ordered this online. It's supposed to be similar to the Flower Bomb scent. Now I'm going to mix in the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients really slowly until it's fully combined. You want to make sure that it's a sand-like consistency and it feels really smooth. Here's when I'm going to add the citric acid. I added it to the end so it didn't react when the wet ingredients hit it. Mix it all in again until it's fully combined. The molds I'm going to use today, I found these off of Amazon. I'm just going to fill these up and then put them in the freezer to dry. In this one, I'm going to add in the dried up roses. I got this flower set from Michael's. I'm just going to add in one white rose from the set. After this bath bomb dissolves, you'll see this white rose float up to the top. For the final bath bomb, I'm going to add more dry roses. With the final ingredients, I'm going to use this mold to make some bath bomb squares. I added some rose-scented Epsom salt to the top, and then added the rest of the ingredients to the mold. You want to make sure that you pack it down really tightly and then put it in the freezer to dry. Now that they're done, let's go ahead and test them out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you'd like to see more. XOXO, Amor Go Go.